Karosta kadai tangkumno ban penyad ya kata reservation. Kami bat ka khot. Bat ladangi hak ban shim ya kanu kerai ke bandon ke jingta ya ki pateng ki banwan. Don kam ban ai ya kata ka lenti ke lar ya baro ki political parties bandon ban talang. Ngin pha ya kani ke jing snow ke jungi sya ka sorkar jilla ban ngin request ya ka sorkar jilla ban place sakhandit itai jingkhang bangin yo ban ya ailat pat saya ka voice of the people party bakan wan bakan ra ya kita kijing yo I bat kijing shem bat kijing snow ki jongki halor ka de ka reservation policy ne ka sngi ki political parties ki la ya play lang ya kata ngilaya keren ni ya kita ki mat ki ban kata lamar primla ban keren sipang ka roster la da prim keren sipang ka reservation policy tingin sa pelong biang ya gan kejingilang but ni daya aware ya ka voice of the people party bukan smobha ban wan shakman ngin pan jingbit ngin pan hukum namat kani ka committee na de kam don ya kata ka mandate lani ya kata ka authority ban shim ya kum kita kilai ndre ngin da ra ya kani ka suggestion jumi shaka sorkar jilla ko jungi ban ni ngin kermen maka sorkar jilla ru kan sya ingi ru bangin sya ya baro ki political parties bakin wan lang kimla bandan ko bai ka political party ka ban om ngin tre ya kajing rai jungi kanumlong ka babet kajing rai jungi kanumlong ka ba pura hap ai ni kala iki badladaki ki snow ba kimla bakin discuss ya ka roster policy number ba ikwa keren shwaya kan kami kepada ke reservation policy tinggi nilai keren tinggi nilai pur ki khana ki jungi she ki bon banta jo reservation policy tingin ailat bat ngin ngap ya kata kejing ai jing mut nomor khadu yo wai ni kwa bantai om tang ka sorkar ke badan benta hakani ngatharai baro ki political parties ki don kam ban don ktilam bat ngatharai chief minister undang pun kre ki jingelang bat ki stakeholders ki nong shim benta ki nong jok snong ki balai se ki lu ki laban ai jing mut namar sistem ba pikta ikani dai ban kta na kam ta jing ba ka ban ne bun snem kitang di ini ni kwa lu banda ai ka kerwo show president jong ka voice of the people party ladalong ka bala ni baro ki ki parties ni lay shong ne ka sni ban ya theri ka ni ka kam ni kwa ya phiru bakin don talang hakum ka ni ka jing shim rai re kan long ka jing shim rai ka bambit ka bambia snow ha one shaka jing ïakren ai jing mud ya ka ni ka committee bat ni kermen baka sorkar jelaru kan sngap ya kata ka jing kren ka jungi ka jing ai jing mud ka jungi nakabenta ka jing bhalang jong ki pateng ki banwan ha ka ni ka jela ka ba e ka jungi tang da gini ki kenten kinden ni ai ku lai pi but sngop ha pen tiang lem ya ka ni ka message ka bangi pha sabaro kinong sok snong jo ka jela one ngin ïakren but ngin yasnap but ngin ya ajing mutla tang di kini we also request a special request and a special petition to the president of the Voice of the People's Party. No conversation on the roster would be complete. It would be unfair and not inclusive on our part not to also include the VPP because every political thought in the state is important. This is an important milestone that we are about to cross. Let us do it together and we fervently appeal, please come to the next discussion, and we want to tell you that we are requesting the government to allow us to go beyond the terms of reference of this committee and to be inclusive and to also allow this committee or any other committee, even at the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, to take up this matter in the interests of the people of the state of Meghalaya. Thank you. At the end of this day, the minutes of this meeting are now being prepared and we will urgently send them and place them before the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister at the earliest, likely by the end of this day. Naman iyo baka don kaway ka political party ka bas ngau don kam ngine ngilayayat palat ya kata karosta ngilaya krente kibe kimat ngilawan lang naman kibe kimat kiwan na katay ka reservation policy kung mga ong kabadi ka kami tinakata ka daw lesi banbha ngin ong yung Honorable Chief Minister ngin pa ya kata kamay news pangilaya del lailate pero kahit ki political parties ki bawan manaten pero lang itong inagaro hens upilaya don lang don kam banya don lang hakum kata karay ay wangin kren naman nginek lang don ka term of reference ban kren siya pang reservation policy tang naman po pi kren siya pang rosta pi hap kren te siya pang reservation policy ro.
So will you also suggest to the government to officially
Mandate of our committee to discuss the inclusiveness of the recommendations to be given to the government. As of now, a main party who has 4 MLAs in the Legislative Assembly is not part of this conversation and discussion. Hence, it is lacking of inclusiveness. If you want it to be inclusive, we may extend the main discussion on the reservation, the job reservation policy of the state of Meghalaya, because anyways, other members of other political parties in their deliberations today referred to other points of the reservation policy, and hence it is by default that we anyways had to discuss the reservation policy. We did an exercise that was already completed. Because roster in isolation from reservation policy does not stand ground. It will only stand ground if you open this discussion on certain aspects of the reservation policy as well. Now, we don't know whether the Honorable Chief Minister will allow this committee to take that up, or whether he will form another committee of experts, or whether he will himself chair any committee. We leave it to the wisdom of the government. We are not mandated. A committee is not a cabinet. Any policy decisions are taken at the cabinet level. We are this year formed for the main purpose of discussing the proposed reservation policy. Any decisions we take have to be forwarded to the highest authority, which is the Honorable Chief Minister, who will then discuss it with the cabinet of this state. Only then can you bring the necessary changes in various OMs that have come over the last 4 decades, 5 decades ago. So many OMs, one after the other. All of those OMs now have to be reviewed, particularly the OM of 2022-05-2022. If you have to have a roster in place, and that roster application is prospective, all OMs will have to be redundant. A new OM will have to come into place. And that is how government functions. But we are not authorized to say that this is what, only lend suggestions, because we have been mandated only to discuss with political parties, which is the exercise which we have engaged with.
Ma'am, can we know the minds of the MLAs or the party representative from Gorals when you have said that you will take over the government and reviewing the reservation policy? What is the mind of the MLAs?
Please do not talk about MLAs. The terms of reference of our committee is strictly the discussion between political parties. Political parties in the state of Meghalaya. The GNC from Garo Hills was also party to these discussions. All other parties came bearing one. Hence, we feel it is not inclusive. Decisions for the future have to be inclusive decisions. Political parties being the main provisions for the main individuals who will be looking at institutionalization of law. So we cannot, we can only lend suggestions to the government. We cannot decide. We are not a competent authority to decide.
What is the
And
mind?
the CNUM also, I think they have decided
Yes.
not to attend the meeting.
No, they have not decided not to attend the meeting. I'm sorry. To my knowledge, the CNUM has expressed its inability to attend this meeting because there was short notice. But the CNUM has already sent a letter to the government of Meghalaya. In fact, letter was addressed to me as Honorable Law Minister of the government of Meghalaya. These letters are now being shared with all members of this committee, and we are meeting on the 31st at 2:30 to discuss everything that everyone has sent to the government on the matter of the roster. Thank you.
Thank you.